Clumping is one of the most commonly used effects in grooming to capture the appearance of real hair and fur. And Ornatrix for Maya has some of the best clumping tools in the industry. In this tutorial, let's explore clump manipulators, which allow you to directly and precisely manipulate clumps, giving you that fine control needed to create intricate hairstyles. Let's go. Open your character scene containing some Ornatrix hair and select the hair shape. Click the Clump Hairs tool in Ornatrix shelf. Select a bunch of hairs you want to clump. Double-click the Tool Settings button to open the tool window. Press the Create Clump button to clump the selected hair. Select the rest of the hair, set clump count to 60, and generate some random clumps. Click the Edit Individual Clumps button to switch to Clump Manipulators. Note that you can now select one or more clumps in the viewport and edit them. Let's select the first clump we created. Notice the manipulator gizmo, which appears at the base of the clump. We will use it to manipulate the shape of the clump. Click and drag the position arrow along the stem of the clump. This controls the current editing position. Alternatively, you can use the slider in the Tool Settings window to do the same. Set the position in the middle of the clump. Press the W, E, R, and T keys to change the current editing mode between Move, Rotate, Scale, and Pattern. You can also set the current mode in the Tool Settings window. Press the R key to enter the Scale mode. Click and drag the Scale manipulator to scale the clump. Notice how, by doing so, we create a knot along the clump. Move the current editing position and create another knot in a different place. The scaling you do along the clump's length is captured using these knots. If you hold down the Control key while adjusting the edit position, the position will automatically snap to the nearest knot. If you hold down the Shift key while adjusting the edit position, the currently selected knot will be moved to the newly specified position. Press the E button to enter rotation mode. Notice how the scaling knots we added earlier are gone. Each mode has its own independent knots for easier workflow. Drag the Rotate manipulator to twist the clump around its center. You can also use the per clump twist value to create procedural twisting. Switch to Move mode by pressing W. Here you can drag the manipulator to adjust the clump's translation around its center. The adjustments which we made to the clump are non-destructive. In other words, they will respect any changes to the input hair shape and can even be layered on top of each other with multiple operators. Now that you have this secret weapon, try it in your own projects. Please subscribe and join our Discord channel for updates. Leave a like and comment with your thoughts and ideas.